Hi guys, thanks for stopping in and visiting my channel. And as promised, this is the next video in my new home construction build series. As you can see, progress has definitely been made here with all of the drywall completed, both upstairs and downstairs. All of the taping and mudding completed. And on this day, the primer had actually been sprayed on the walls. And I actually had a comment on another video where someone asked why the cabinets were put in place prior to all the painting being completed. Great question, and it makes complete sense to me to have waited to install cabinets after all of the painting had been done. But for some reason, mine were put in place prior to that. And I'm thinking it may possibly be due to the availability of subcontractors, maybe. Maybe the contractor who handled the cabinets was available to put them in at that time, and so they were put in place. But as you can see in the prior clip, the cabinets were covered pretty well, and I saw no signs of paint on any of them, so that was a good thing. Here upstairs in the bedrooms, you can also see drywall completed, and primer has been sprayed as well here. This is actually the owner's bedroom. And those are the interior doors, which were also primed and painted and hung a few days after this video was taken. So things were moving pretty quickly at this point. Here's the owner's bathroom. All of the drywall completed there as well. That is the rough-in for the walk-in shower. And the cabinets for the vanities that also been installed upstairs in the owner's bathroom as well as the guest bathroom. So some touch-up spots you can see in some areas. But in all, the painting was done very well. These are the standard builder paint colors, which was a basic white in the entire home, both upstairs and downstairs. And this was included in the base price. I think most people enjoy having white walls. They say it makes the spaces look larger. For me, I don't mind it, but I am constantly touching up paint on walls. This is the downstairs great room area, the back door, and again cabinets in the kitchen area. So that was pretty much the progress at that time. The next video will include countertops, plumbing fixtures, light fixtures, among other things. If you like this content, give me a big thumbs up, and I hope you'll come back for the next video in the series. Thanks so much.